Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Acorns investment account, follow these essential step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start investing your money. Step 1. Download the Acorns app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the Acorns website using your web browser to access your account. Step 2. Log into your Acorns account using the credentials you created during the registration process. If you're a new user, complete the initial sign-up first. Step 3. Navigate to the account verification section, which Acorns typically prompts you to complete shortly after creating your account. This is required by financial regulations. Step 4. Provide your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, social security number, and residential address. This information is used to verify your identity. Step 5. Answer security questions or provide additional identification documents if requested by Acorns. This may include uploading a photo of your driver's license or state ID. Step 6. Link your bank account to your Acorns account by entering your bank account and routing numbers. Acorns will make small test deposits to verify the account ownership. Step 7. Check your bank account for the test deposits from Acorns, which usually appear within 1 to 3 business days. Note the exact amounts of these deposits. Step 8. Return to the Acorns app or website and enter the test deposit amounts to confirm your bank account ownership and complete the verification process. Step 9. Wait for Acorns to review and approve your account verification. Once approved, you can begin making investments and using all Acorns features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.